Hey everyone, let's do hairstyling. Tie your hair on the right side and divide the remaining hair into two and have the left section go into the right by using a hair loop. With the remaining hair braided and make the braid swirl in a clockwise manner and secure it inside the bun we created and have lovely hairpins. Create your lovely buns and have a very large hairpin and attach it from left to right and secure that from right to left. Then the remaining ponytail, comb it, have a rubber band and fold it into half and make it even more downwards by having a very large hairpin. Braid your hair in the middle and with the remaining section have it into two and make a loop and drop it inside and braid it and roll it inside the bun we created and secure the hole with a lovely hairpin. Grab your ponytail on top and have a very large hairpin attached to the bottom section and with the remaining tail tie a rubber band and make it even more downwards by having a very large hairpin. Make a twisted pattern on your hair and with the remaining tail have two rubber bands and stretch the middle part and make the ponytail go to the top. Then have a very large hair clutcher and with the remaining tail bend it forward and bend it even more down by having a hairpin. Stretch it for some extra volume. Insert a hair loop on your ponytail and make it come down on the inner side, then braid it and completely roll it and hide it with the hair. Then secure the whole hairstyle with some lovely hairpin and hair clutcher. Hold your bunch on top and have a very large hairpin on the bottom and bring the ponytail back and have a rubber at the tip and bend the tip forward, then secure the hole with a lovely hair clutcher or hairpin of your choice. And extend it for a volume and have the side profile. Insert a lovely hairpin to your ponytail from left to right and attach it to the opposite side of the remaining ponytail, bring it back and have a rubber attached by twisting it and have a very large hairpin. Make the twisted band and have two rubber bands attached to the ponytail, make a loop and drop the tip inside and have it attached to the second rubber band and secure the hole with a hairpin and of course a lovely hair clutcher. Braid your lovely hair at the bottom section in two parts and once when you complete the braid, swirl the braid in a clockwise manner and secure the tip underneath the bun we created and have a very large hairpin on the right side. Go for the twisted band again and have two rubber bands attached to the ponytail and bring the ponytail's end to the middle part and stuff it inside the bun and have the bun move to the top with a lovely hairpin and of course go for your hairpin of your choice. Drop the lump of the ponytail into the ridge we created using a finger and stuff it inside and have a very large hair clutcher attached to it. Hold your bunch on top and insert a very large hair clutcher of your choice and have a rubber band attached in the middle part of your ponytail and bend it forward and attach it to a loop of the rubber band and bend it even more downward by having a very large hairpin and secure it. Then extend the hair for some volume. Have your lovely ponytail straightened with a bun maker and roll it completely to the top and bend it down forming a circle. Hide the entire bun maker by extending the hair. Then of course go for your lovely favorite hair clutcher. Hold your gorgeous hair from behind and have a very large hair clutcher and twist your hair in one of its teeth and twist it even more and rotate it so that you hide the tips beneath it. Then close your hair clutcher so that you have a lovely hair bun. Have your lovely ponytail and make a gap with your finger and drop the ponytail into it and tighten a little bit. Have a rubber band attached in the middle part, then drop the tip in the middle one and have the entire bun go to the top and secure its position with a lovely hair clutcher. Twist your lovely hair on your index finger and make a hair roll, then hide the tip inside the bun, then have a very large hairpin attached from left to right and have it to the right to left. Split your bunch into two and start braiding it in a very thicker manner. Once when you complete the braid, make the braid swirl in a clockwise manner and secure the lovely hairpin video.